America Votes 2025 coverage now. In about 2.5 days until polls open on Election Day. Early voting has ended and all eyes are now turning to battleground Wisconsin once again. Lots of attention on the state Supreme Court race between liberal Judge Susan Crawford from Dane County and conservative Judge Brad Schimel from Waukesha County. And on the legal battle that is shaping up after State Attorney General Josh Kaul sued billionaire Elon Musk and his America PAC for offering money to voters who signed a petition in opposition of so-called activist judges. It all started early yesterday morning when Musk posted on X that he would be coming to Wisconsin to give a talk and give out $1 million checks to 2 people. That post has since been deleted. And yesterday, Musk clarified his post with a new one saying only voters who signed that petition would be invited to his event and eligible for one of those $1 million checks. He says the money is for people that he selects as spokespeople for his petition. State Attorney General Josh Kaul and a liberal law firm filed an injunction saying these payments are breaking Wisconsin's election bribery laws. Yesterday afternoon, the case got assigned to candidate Judge Susan Crawford, but she recused herself and it was reassigned to a Columbia County judge. He rejected Kaul's injunction, so Kaul immediately appealed to the state appeals court. And that brings us to this afternoon when the appeals court denied Kaul's appeal. This means Musk is allowed to offer the payments, and Musk will still have that town hall in Green Bay tomorrow night at 6:30. Both Crawford and Schimel, who Musk has endorsed, weighed in on all of Musk's influence during campaign stops earlier today.
We have more than double the contributions from Wisconsinites to my campaign, and obviously thousands of contributions in smaller amounts from people outside the state of Wisconsin who really care about our judiciary and want to make sure that somebody like Elon Musk is not able to wade into a state judicial election and buy a seat on a state Supreme Court.
This is about restoring objectivity to this court. It's about stopping activist judges from changing our state from the bench instead of from the legislature like it's supposed to be. He's helping to deliver that message. I appreciate that.
Kaylee Starl joins us live in studio right now. And Kaylee, you spent the afternoon talking to voters about this ruling and Musk's involvement. What are they saying?
Well, Ryan, with less than 3 days until election night, many voters are wondering if Musk's involvement will be a positive or a negative in this race for state Supreme Court. So I spent the day talking to voters at a Schimel event like Jarrell and Chuck, as well as voters downtown like Meredith, who shared their thoughts.
3 days, 2 candidates, and $1 million. That's the latest number voters are wrapping their heads around in the race for state Supreme Court. Billionaire Elon Musk, who endorsed Judge Brad Schimel, offering $100 to people for signing a petition against, quote, activist judges, and now $1 million to 2 people speaking at a rally Sunday night in Green Bay.
My wife and I both filled it out, including my son, my sister, and brother-in-law, and it's awesome.
Chuck Kornowski signed the petition.
We did also. Did you get the check yet?
And is waiting for his $100 check in the mail.
Gets people motivated. It really does. It is a good idea.
Yeah.
I really feel it is.
Not everyone thought the same. Attorney General Josh Kaul tried to block the payments, first filing a lawsuit, then appealing to the Wisconsin Court of Appeals. On Saturday, court officials denied his emergency request, which allows Musk to continue offering the payments.
Get into the minds of the younger people and speak to them and get them to come out, come to the rallies, sign petitions, and become greater Americans, I guess you could say. Then, yeah, I'm definitely on board with that.
People like Meredith worry Musk's money might sway the vote.
Getting people out there to vote is important, certainly, but I don't know how I feel about billionaires, bribing people to sign petitions and, paying their way into an election.
Whether you sign the petition or not, voters tell me this election is bigger than just a Supreme Court seat.
This race with Brad Schimel will save the entire country.
This is a very high stakes election, not just for Wisconsin, but I think for the country as a whole.
And according to WisPolitics, a record $90 million has been spent on this race. And Musk, again, holding an event here in Wisconsin tomorrow night Entrance is limited to those who have signed that petition, and we'll have team coverage there as election night approaches on Tuesday. Ryan.
All right, Kaylee, thank you.